Thank you for watching this course. I hope you feel more equipped now to go and deploy a data streaming platform and applications to production. Before we go, I wanted to provide you with a few additional resources for continuing your data in motion journey. Links to these resources can be found in the guide for this course on developer.confluent.io. Before taking off on a flight, pilots have a pre-flight checklist to ensure everything is working as expected and all the needed preparations are done. I have compiled a similar checklist to accompany this course. It's a PDF document which features a comprehensive checklist of items to be fully prepared and avoid oversights. Each item has a link to the most relevant documentation, course, or blog posts on the subject. So take it with you on the field and assess your readiness before going to production. We will update this document over time to reflect changes as the product and practices evolve. You can find it in the course guide on developer.confluent.io. As we progress further on the data in motion journey, we will delve deeply into level 4, referred to as enterprise data streaming, and conclude our exploration at level 5, otherwise known as the central nervous system, our end goal. In the follow-up course, we'll cover more advanced topics such as platform and data governance, data discoverability and data sharing, deliberate shared service, federation and cluster strategies, multi-tenancy and quality of service, auto-scaling and on-demand clusters, advanced operational monitoring, organizational structure, self-service with policy as code. See you on the next course on Confluent Developer. If you aren't already on Confluent Developer, head there now using the link in the video description to access other courses, hands-on exercises, and many other resources.